friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Robin here. Today I'll be making Chinese 炸酱面, which is essentially noodles with fried bean sauce. This dish is an iconic northern Chinese dish. The sauce is normally made by simmering stir-fried pork with fermented soybean paste. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down below in the description box. First, cut the pork belly into small cubes and separate the fat and the lean meat. Slice the carrots, cucumbers, and ginger. Chop some green onions. Then stir-fry the pork belly. Turn on the stove to medium heat and wait for the pan to become hot. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and stir-fry the fat first. Add the lean meat after most of the fat has been rendered out. Stir-fry the pork belly. Add the ginger. At this time, you can see that the oil looks kinda opaque. It's because there is still water in it. Keep stir-frying the meat until the oil becomes clear. Now the oil has become clear. Add the soybean paste and sweet bean sauce. One thing I would like to mention is that for this dish, there is no authentic or traditional recipe. Each family has their own variations, and you can add whatever vegetables you like. My favorite ingredient is the sweet bean sauce, which is a thick, dark brown sauce, made from fermented wheat flour. Its sweet flavor comes from the fermentation of starches. Mix everything well. Turn down the heat to low, and let everything simmer for 30 to 40 minutes, while making sure the sauce doesn't burn or dry out. During this time, let's make the noodles. The ratio of the flour and water is about 1 to 0.5. Mix the flour, salt, and water together. Cover the dough and let it rest for 15 minutes. Today, I'm using a pasta maker to flatten the dough and cut the noodles. When the sauce is almost done, add the white part of the chopped green onions and mix well. Boil the fresh noodles for 1 minute. Now let's assemble the bowl. Add the noodles, cooked meat, cucumbers, carrots, and green onions. There you go! You just made a bowl of delicious 炸酱面. Mix well and enjoy your noodles. The veggies are crunchy and refreshing. The sauce is very savory and a little salty. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!